Hi, welcome to Coffee Talk. I'm Kelley, Knitz, broker associate with Remax Preferred.
And I'm Lori Bobrick at Grand Financial Incorporated.
And this is episode 1 of many where we'll be discussing the financing process as far as buying a home or an investment property. So stay tuned. Today's episode, we're going to talk about the loan application process. So, Lori, I usually tell my buyers that, the faster they get the documents to the loan officer, the quicker they'll be able to close and be able to meet their closing date deadline. So what type of documents do you expect?
What we expect would be their last, I'm going to say 30 days of paycheck stubs, their last 2 years W-2s, and along with their tax returns, because we'll review those as well, and their last 2 months bank statements so we can show that they actually have the down payment money.
Sometimes, issues come up where people aren't forthright about things like child support or bankruptcies or foreclosures. Do those things show up on somebody's credit report or?
Not always, but on the loan application, we ask, there are the declaration questions we ask, do they pay child support? Have they had a bankruptcy or foreclosure in the last 7 years?
So, you can run, but you can't hide. They're going to find out. So might as well disclose it up front, because I've had this happen to where it kind of delays the closing or just puts a big, it nixes the closing because they're not honest about what their obligations are monthly. So definitely let your loan officer know if you have child support or student loans or a bankruptcy or foreclosure.
Because we can always make the loan around that. There's still possibilities for the loan to be closed.
They're so thorough with financing now. I'm surprised they don't take your blood. And I say that to many people. It's just very frustrating, and people just, get really frustrated by it. But even those of us with excellent credit get nitpicked, as far as, what the lender is going to require to close. So once the information is all there and the appraisal's done and the title work and all that stuff, and it goes to the underwriter, what kinds of things can happen as a result of going through underwriting?
The underwriter is the one that actually signs their name to the loan. So that underwriter wants to make sure everything is covered on their end for the approval process, because we get the approval that says we need this, this, and this. So the underwriter may come back and ask for a letter of explanation of what happened in the past for the credit. They might ask for a letter of explanation of the paper trail of a large deposit, and they'll ask to show that the earnest money deposit actually cleared their bank account.
So if you make a earnest money check out to your real estate agent, make sure to make a copy of it, because it is far much easier for us to provide that in the beginning than not having a copy of it and waiting for it to have to clear the bank so we can get a copy of it. So that's it for the loan application process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to inquire about something, press the information button on the upper left, or please call me at 419-779-6229. Thanks for watching.